Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about Realme Band review. So, let's get started. So, let's divide this review into pros and cons. So, dividing the review into pros and cons gives you a lot of idea about this Realme Band so that you can consider the positives and negatives and you can see whether the negatives are really negatives for you or positives are really positives for you. Based upon that, you can go ahead and make a decision if you want to buy a Realme Band or not. So let's get into the positives and negatives. The positives are the hardware build quality, price, charging mechanism, Realme Link app, the work mode detection. If you get into the negatives, in the negatives, the display and all the options provided in the Realme Link app. If you want to change anything, you need to go ahead and change it from Realme Link app only. And one more negative is the step counter, which is not accurate. So now let's get into the positives. Later we can get into the negatives. So the first positive is the build quality. Build quality of the Realme Band is good. The Realme Band is made up of plastic and looks good on my hand and maybe on yours too. The plastic quality of the band is good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. The bands can be removed like this and the band's quality is also good. Wearing this band for long hours doesn't give itchiness feeling on your skin. The buckle system on this band is quite convenient and old school style, so you will be comfortable wearing this band. The second positive is the price. Realme is charging 1500 rupees for a fitness band, and to get fitness band at this price is a pretty good deal. Heart rate monitor works pretty good and it shows same results as same other fitness bands like Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5. By default, the heart rate monitor will work every 5 minutes, but you can change this or disable this from Realme Link app. Next one is the Realme Link app. The Realme Link app is the app which is designed to link all the products of Realme in a single app where you can check the status of all products. This Realme Link app is designed well and has a lot of options to support the products of Realme. So this Realme Link app used for changing a lot of things on Realme Band like changing watch faces, setting alarm, enable or disable heart rate monitor, remind to drink water, changing sport modes on band, etc. The next one is exercise mode detection. Whenever you do any activity for 20 to 30 seconds wearing this band will detect that you are doing particular exercise. The next one is the charging mechanism. Realme Band has USB charging mechanism, and to charge the Realme Band you can directly insert the USB pin into any USB adapter like this and charge it. No hassle of cables or separate adapters for this band. This kind of charging is pretty convenient. So let's get into the cons department. The biggest and disappointing con of this band is its display. The display of the band is LCD color display. The display brightness is too low. You can only view the display in indoor conditions and night conditions, but not outside on a sunny day. The display brightness level on this band is very low, and this display is not touchscreen. This is the major con in Realme Band. Another con is that if you want to modify or edit anything, you need to go to Realme Link app and do that. There is not much to operate on the band. Most of the things should be done from the Realme Link app. Even basic edit features like changing watch face need to be done from the Realme Link app, and that's disgusting. The third con is that it don't count the steps accurately. It will increase the steps while you are sleeping also. So this is not accurate and it needs to be rectified from the Realme team from the software end side. So these are the positives and negatives. Based upon these positives and negatives, you can definitely go ahead and make a decision. But according to me, if I want to make a decision based on these positives and negatives, I would definitely not go for Realme Band. According to me, Realme Band does not provide the value for the money which we pay. If you want to get the band, you can put little more extra cash like 200 to 300 rupees or 500 rupees and get Realme Band 4 or Honor Band 5. which is much more value for the price you are paying, and definitely gives you a lot better experience while using fitness band. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.